From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Happy Thursday, I'm student meteorologist Christian Spallone, here with a look at your Thursday evening CNET forecast. Plenty of blue skies behind me right now as of this afternoon, but don't let that fool you. Pretty chilly outside right now, just like we saw yesterday. Temperature in State College right now only sitting in the mid-40s, 45 degrees. Feels a little bit colder, almost in the upper 30s as we have a wind out of the west-southwest around 7 miles per hour right now. So it's quite chilly, and this morning we saw temperatures get below the freezing mark here in State College all the way into the upper 20s actually, seeing a hard freeze in some spots. And this also happened in some areas to the south and east. For the first time this season, we saw temperatures drop below the freezing mark in many areas throughout southeastern Pennsylvania. Only areas where they didn't really down in Center City, Philadelphia, where they're at 34 this morning, and also along the lakeshore up in Erie up at 36. Some of that warmer water influence up there, keeping things a little bit on the milder side this morning, but really chilly across the majority of the Commonwealth. Our current radar and satellite right now not showing any of that snow showers that we were seeing yesterday. We have the wind shifting a little bit more out of the southwest right now, so it's bringing in a little bit of drier flow across the area. We do see some clouds across the northern tier, a few showers across the northwest regions of the state, but generally pretty dry right now, and that's the case across a lot of the country at the moment. Plenty of high pressure building in across the eastern United States. Some clouds across the north, but really the only active weather area in the United States right now is across the Pacific Northwest, where we had a pretty potent low pressure area move in yesterday evening, bringing a lot of rain and precipitation up that way. But dry across the east right now is the general theme. And moving throughout the rest of tonight in State College, expecting temperatures to drop off down towards the freezing mark again tonight under clear skies. So another chilly night in State College, and it's really one of the coldest nights left as we go into this weekend. Expecting temperatures to warm up a little bit. So getting out of this really cold stretch, at least for a little bit here throughout Pennsylvania. And we can go and time it out for you as we head into tonight. Again, we see it's chilly again tonight. Clear skies allowing those temperatures to drop back again down beneath the freezing mark in many areas. Close in Philadelphia sitting at 33. We'll see if they get their first freeze tonight. But expecting more clouds to move in tomorrow. We see more of a cloud shield coming from the west, and temperatures are warming up. So you're going to notice a difference tomorrow. Temperatures in the middle 50s across many areas of the state tomorrow. And as we move into the beginning of the weekend here, we can see plenty of clouds still around by Saturday morning. Temperatures much warmer for our lows. It's only seeing 42 degrees in State College by Saturday morning, so quite a difference. And throughout the rest of the day on Saturday, expecting more clouds throughout the areas. Temperatures getting up into the lower 60s in some areas across southeastern Pennsylvania, and maybe creeping up towards the 60-degree mark here in State College. As we head out of the weekend and go into early next week, take a look at our pressure tracker here, seeing our dominant areas of precipitation and weather. We see that high pressure begin to break down across the eastern United States, and you see this area of red, which is our low pressure region, moving in towards the early part of next week. So expecting some more showers to be around by the time we get to Tuesday of next week. In this red area, this low pressure moves into the northeast. So a bit of a change in this dry pattern coming with more precipitation and unsettled weather expected, and with warmer weather also by the beginning of next week. But we can take a look at our 6 to 10 day temperature outlook. Things may be changing as we move towards the end of next week. That warm weather may go away again, and we may see some colder conditions similar to what we're seeing now throughout much of the northeast and mid-Atlantic regions. But right now, our conditions expected for tonight in State College, 28 degrees, so another chilly night. So we got to get through tonight before things warm up just a little bit. And for tomorrow, we'll start to see that improvement. 54 degrees, partly cloudy skies out there, just a light wind out of the south around 5 to 10 miles per hour. And finally, now our 7-day forecast for the State College area, expecting those temperatures to really rebound as we head into this weekend. More clouds expected, however, both days of the weekend, creeping up towards 60 degrees by Monday, but again, overcast skies expected and some showers around for Tuesday and Wednesday before we see things cool off again towards the end of next week with drying weather likely as well. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service and for CNET, I'm Christian Spallone. Have a great night.